afternoon, YouTube. You're watching Swamp Fox Adventures. I'm Wally. This is Real Babes, and we are headed up into the mountains of Puerto Rico right now, and I'm pretty sure we are going to get wet. Real Babes has lost our rain jackets. Where are our rain jackets?
I think they're in the car that I broke.
Real Babes got the jackets out of the gray Montero. I am very relieved that you have the rain jackets.
Me too.
Alex says he thinks the rain's done. And as soon as he said that, it really started to clear up. Hey, Jojo. How are you? Hey. Okay. That's way down there.
The house is gonna fall soon.
The house is gonna fall soon. They're gonna make sure of it too.
Yeah, there's a fork down here. Actually, we think we went left the first time.
Yeah,
And that goes up to somebody's house.
Right.
Yeah.
Probably would have been easier that way.
Where are we going?
I think the men act.
I went to those parcha pouches at my house, so when you're
Good morning. Y'all didn't get to catch the view last night. And it's incredible from up top. Okay, y'all, we are loaded up in the grain machine and we're about ready to go grab some breakfast. We were shopping for floaties.
She wanted to float this time.
Laura has a collection of floaties. They never make it through the water with us.
I do.
You gonna get it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Top half, bottom half.
Yeah, and you have the old ladies that still live around the block.
Yes, I love them. I have like a total.
Oh, this sounds good. That's smart.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that.
We're about to head to the river and some waterfalls. They are provisioning some beverages in the little cantina.
No soy Molina. No soy Molina. Ay, yo sé que tú
Oh, you should.
Oh, not a whole lot of water.
took them all in. They're all mine now.
at Charco Los Marones. David, don't go so I'm a slowpoke though, sorry.
No, you're good.
I fell once and I'm scared to fall again and hurt my knee like that.
I haven't fallen at all, and I'm scared to fall.
Oh God, so it's taken forever for my knee to heal because I didn't go to the doctor. So I'm still scared.
Si quieres meter agua. Ah, bueno. A lot of people stop there because they don't know.
Oh yeah.
You even tell us what this is?
Taino markings.
Taino markings.
Yeah, they use the rocks.
Okay.
They use the rock on the rock.
Oh, there was one here too that's sort of eroded and faded away.
Yeah, look at that. This whole rock right here.
Yeah, are you gonna jump off the rock?
That bad.
Good markings.
Yeah.
See this rock right here? Pretty clean rock. Get from that rock and get up close.
Yesterday, our first day, and we ended up, I lost my shoe in the ocean, and I went to take after it, and then I stepped down in the coral.
Yeah.
Waterproof.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
Wonderful
I'm gonna do a plunge.
water
I've been saying
therapy.
I'm going to order one, I'm going to buy one, and I keep forgetting to
What's that?
Okay, I'm going under.
buy one.
Oh, a GoPro?
Yeah. It's funny, I remember people's names.
So what I meant was, take it away.
Yo pensaba que tú estabas jugando, perdona.
Que me dijo, salte en medio, te mateo. Ya, está esperándote a ti, ¿viste? Mira. Esperándote.
Like groundhog right there.
Vete, guys.
Sorry.
We're getting there. We're all warming up.
It's only been like 20 minutes.
¿Cuántos años tu perro?
Tiene 10 años de nosotros.
Okay.
Acá. Primer día que fui me cogieron por aquí. El tipo me dijo...
This water's deep. I found a rock. You can see my legs. There's another one over there I'm gonna swim to. Just crossed, sitting on a little shelf, and the waterfall is that way.
I'm gonna jump off right here and just take a nice cruise. Where see that? And with that angle. That way. Wally.
I'm drifting downriver. Real Babes is getting in the water.
The current makes it so you don't even need a floaty.
I know. It's pretty relaxing coming back.
Yeah, it is.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. It's deep over here.
It's deep over here. It's like a steep drop. It's like,
Yeah.
take a step back.
Okay, y'all. The weather has turned. We got some rain coming in, and in order to avoid a flash flood, we're getting out of here right now. Everyone is climbing out of, what is it, Canyon Moron? Charco Moron. Do not vandalize the indigenous petroglyphs. Visit, enjoy, and protect.
Right.
I really enjoy the mountains. It's always cooler, it's lush. You know, it's
Yeah, I mean,
it's like jungle.
they're so close.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
That was awesome.
Where are we headed now, baby?
Fishing. These gates are interesting as far as
Yeah.
boulders and stuff.
It's to prevent boulders from rolling onto the road. The road is getting windier and in much rougher shape and twistier and skinnier. So that means it's gonna be a good fishing spot. Actually, I've been here once, but I didn't get to fish because Mike put the tackle box on the roof of the car and forgot about it. So when we got here, we didn't have a tackle box. Sato, get out of the road.
Hey.
What, turtles? Out there, see it?
Yeah.
Okay, babe. That emergency fix isn't lasting. Look at all the fish stacked up over there.
Oh, wow. Big.
I think those are Placos.
Okay.
Got some corn juice going. Real Babes just made her first drop. I had one on the first drop and I have not had a bite since. It was a red devil cichlid. I could tell with the big, bright orange color. I was getting a nibble and Real Babes. What you got? Oh, nice. It's a good, pretty yellow one.
Baby up here. Woo!
Oh,
that
he's
is
pretty.
Beautiful.
I want some pictures with the phone for that guy. Okay. Long arming. Okay.
Woo!
And he swam off strong.
He's off.
I might have to trade spots. Real Babes has got another one.
I wonder if that's the same guy.
No, that one's
This is
oranger.
different,
Yeah. Another red devil though.
Alright,
They're pretty.
they are beautiful. Red Devil Cichlid number 2, going back. Woo! And a strong return.
We missed rain at the waterfall and the river, but it doesn't look like we're gonna miss this bit. It's already starting to rain here, so I think we're gonna head back to the coast. You can see the low clouds, you can see the dark clouds, and you can see where it's raining right up here. And you can see the water, or the rain hitting the water down there. Real Babes wanted to keep fishing in the rain, but I was a wimp.
Little guardhouse.
We decided to do some more exploring. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna blow this up so hopefully y'all can see it. Lobina, largemouth bass. Tucanaire, peacock bass. Guabina is a bigmouth sleeper. And Dajou, I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know what that is. I think that's mountain mullet, actually. We just had a couple of days open up on our schedule, so we might take the scenic route home. There's the sign, Arecibo. That's where we're headed. There is a Guyera that I've never been to. Borinquin Guyera. Borinquin means Puerto Rican. Puerto Rican Galera. That's a Puerto Rican cockfighting ring.
Rican?
Yeah, here, video, the dragon and the Asian influence. Pretty impressive.
It is impressive.
We just stopped or pulled up to a cantina to ask directions because we're on this, and we remembered, we're like, hey, isn't this the route we took from Ponce to Arecibo the first time we came to Arecibo and the bridge was washed out? So we asked and they said it's good. Look at this, cut straight through the rocks.
Rebuilt it.
They did rebuild the bridge.
I know.
We're pretty stoked we're not stuck now.
Yeah, last time we were here, there was no bridge.
There's the bridge now. When the water's high, there ain't no bridge.
Yeah, I can see.
Just hopped on the 10. We're pretty much out of the mountains and we are headed back into Arecibo now. We are trying a new to us restaurant. We have passed this place a bunch of times, and in about a year, this is the first time we've seen it open. And we've heard from friends that it's really good. Gracias. I got ribeye and gnocchi with asparagus. What'd you get?
Rigatoni.
And a Caesar?
Yeah, and a Caesar.
Okay, y'all. Real Babes and I decided to go to the movies. We had a great dinner, and I still think I'm gonna get popcorn with lots of butter and a Coca-Cola. Here we are. Caribbean Cinemas. We are not going to the movies now because the movie we're gonna see is, most of them are English with Spanish subtitles. This one was all Spanish total. And Real Babes decided she didn't want to do that because her brain hurts today or something like that. I don't know.
Those Pasafinos.
I know, love that gate. A lot of folks fishing tonight. The dogs were left alone last night, so they're probably gonna freak out. Here's one of those puppy mamas with the mange. And here are the puppies. Not that one. There's one. Hey, pupper, pupper. There's one. There's one. We should have caught them when they were younger and just taken them to the vet and then brought them back. I think they're a little too big and untamed now. What do you think?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot.
We just turned on our street and that pack of, what are those, pintos, I guess? Wild horses showed up. They're here quite a bit, actually. Oh, the dogs heard us from here. I can see him. Here comes Thunder, the horse, too. Everyone's gonna be pretty excited.
Like, hey,
Was neighbor dog in or out of the yard?
neighbor dog was in the yard when we left.
Okay. Yeah, there's Thunder. Hi, Thunder. How are you? Oh, there's neighbor dog. There's Wiggles. There's Luna. Oh. Hey, how are you? Hi, Luna. Oh my goodness, how are you? How are you? Look at you doggies. I know. I know. I know. I missed you too. Yes. That was Charco Los Marones, the waterfalls and whatnot. Had a blast swimming. Then we did a little bit of fishing over at Dos Bocas, which is a lake up in Utuado. And now I'm doing the outro. It's Tuesday. And Real Babes and I have to fly out, meet our CPA, pay some taxes, and then we're meeting some friends for dinner. And I'll get another video right out to y'all. Love y'all, and we will talk to y'all soon.